In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a business card in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a great starting point and quickly tailor it to your brand so your card looks polished and professional. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser and heading to the main dashboard. You'll see a clean workspace with tools along the left side. That left panel is where most of the magic begins. From there, click on Templates in the left panel. Templates are a huge time saver because they give you professionally designed layouts you can customize in minutes. When the Templates view opens, you'll notice a search bar and a range of categories to help you narrow things down. In the search bar, type Business Card and press Enter. You'll get a gallery of ready-made designs in a variety of styles: minimal, bold, creative, and more. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails. Look for a layout that fits your brand personality with text that's easy to read and enough space for your key details. If your work is more formal, go for clean lines and high contrast. If it's creative, consider color-forward or illustrated options. Once you spot a sample business card you like, click on it to open the preview. This is a good time to check the overall hierarchy, where the name sits, how the title and contact details are arranged, and whether the logo area feels prominent enough. Imagine your own content in those spots to make sure it will fit comfortably. Click Customize Template to open the design in the editor. You'll land in a canvas view with editing tools on the left and controls for layers, colors, and text across the top. Everything on the card is editable. Now personalize the template and input your data. Double-click any text to replace it with your name, job title, company, website, and other contact details you choose to include. Keep information concise and prioritize what your audience needs most. Adjust fonts and sizes to maintain clear hierarchy. Your name should stand out, followed by your title and then secondary details. Update colors to match your brand. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability. If you have a logo, use the upload option to bring it in and position it where it balances the layout. Swap or remove any decorative elements that feel busy and lean on white space for a clean, modern look. Use the smart guides to align edges and center key elements so everything feels intentional. If your chosen template includes a backside, mirror the same styling there and add only what adds value, like a tagline or a QR code. Give your design a quick once-over at 100% zoom to check spacing and legibility. And that's it. Your business card is now tailored and ready to represent you with confidence.